everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have a tutorial on the 2016 Land Rover LR4. In this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to connect your iPhone to the Bluetooth. Let's jump right in. Now that your vehicle's on, you want to look on your screen. You're going to look for this icon here that says please pair phone. Click on that. Search new. In this case we're going to be connecting the device to the vehicle, so we'll want to click on that. Please take note, at the bottom it says a PIN of your choice is required. You'll need to use that later. So on your iPhone you'll want to click on settings. On your Bluetooth you'll turn that on. You're going to search for Land Rover. It'll prompt you for you to enter a PIN of your choice. Pair. On the screen it'll ask you if you want to add the device. We'll go ahead and click yes. Use that code. Now your phone is paired. It'll ask you to sync your contacts in your phones. For this case we won't allow it. You'll see your screen different. It'll give you the option to dial if you need to. Now I'm going to show you how to remove your device. So you'll want to go here at the bottom left, change phone. You'll want to disconnect. Then it'll give you the option to delete. It'll ask you, you'll want to go ahead and click yes. And it'll remove itself from the list. Alright you guys, that completes the tutorial for today. If you have any questions on the 2016 Land Rover LR4, you can leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.